Hello, my YouTubers again. It is your cameraman, Daniel, for this today's update of this construction. It's still May 22nd, 2023, and right now they're tearing down some branches and such. How dare they doing that? I didn't know, but it's been good for like a little while to be growing, and now I gotta find what they're doing. Yeah, destroying the rules of nature. Let's hope they're not going to tear down any more trees. And look at that. Piling up dirt and such, yep. I just caught this by accident. Right now it's about nearly 7:30 or something at night. It's still light. Yeah. This is almost the first 5 months of doing this series. Maybe it'll just grow again anyways. They just building it? Yep. Let's hope he ain't gonna just tear it down. Haven't seen it since this past January, yep. This is why we're just taping this. Once and for all. You need to be on YouTube. This is the fucking lesson. Excuse me with the profanity. I like no one just tearing up my my woods. I gotta ask this guy. Hold on. And look at this. You're watching this, my audience? Yeah. They just have to ruin the branches. Oh, excuse me, sir. Sir. Look at that. He's going to park it right now. Yep. So So, folks, I hope you enjoyed this little update about the construction. Please comment and subscribe and ring the bell if you like this video or previous videos of this garage. And we'll see you again next time I give you more updates. Until then, your cameraman Daniel signing off, and you have a nice day, and thank you for giving you like the bonuses. Bye.